Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the 12th April 2025 IELTS exam prediction. Yes, so please don't forget to follow this channel. Please don't forget to click on like and subscribe button. Again, I can say that. Alright, so let's get started with the IELTS real exam prediction. But before that, if you are new on this channel, again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so start with the listening, but again, if you are looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, this is a serious conversation again. Okay, so if you're looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, then again we are here to help you out with that. If someone in your friend circle, in your relatives, they are struggling for the job interviews preparation, then again we are here to help them out for that too. But again, you need to subscribe our channel and share this video with them. And also again, if they are looking for the interview tips and tricks, my next video will be on that. I will start uploading the series of the interviews, how to prepare your job interview, any type of job. If you are looking for the teaching job, if you are looking for the professional job like computer or AI or something, so how you can start your interviewing. So all right, so we will start that very soon in my next upcoming sessions that will be on the interviews preparation, all about interviews. So let's get started with today's come back to the today's session. So today is we are talking about here prediction. So prediction is for academic and general students and IDP and British Council students. So please pay attention. Paper-based and computer-based students also please pay attention for your IELTS real exam prediction is here. So this prediction belongs to 12th April 2025 IELTS exam. So let's get started with the listening. So listening part 1. Yes, let's get started with the listening part 1. So listening part 1 is always be fill-ups, right? So everybody knows that fill-ups. So it is going to be easy. Now, part 2 is multiple choice question answers and maps. This time you can have this part is also easy. Now, part 3 is multiple choice question answers and match the information is going to be easy to moderate. So why? Because students always ask the question in the comment section. Sometimes they send me an email that was like, why this part is more easy to moderate. So moderate means like multiple choice question answers always may give some hard time to the students because of their vocabulary, because of their similarity in the first line and the second line, but in the different ways. So please try to understand when you are listening and when you are reading. So in that way you can once you are going through the paper first, and then you can start listening, and then it gives you some idea what they are talking about, so it will give you less confusion. Okay, so match the information is also the another part where students always find some difficulty because of that, the similarity in the words and lines. So please pay attention while preparing your exam, so in that way you can have little less confusion and you can get some easy and you can get some good confidence if you prepare hard. Okay, part 4 is fill-ups. So part 4 is fill-ups. This part is also going to be easy. So if we talk about the overall prediction of this IELTS exam, the level of exam will be easy but little bit fast. So what you need to do, tip is here, you need to prepare all your fast tracks Cambridge books preparation. Also, not only that Cambridge book, please do practice for the extra material also, because you need to practice with all the accents, British, American, also Indian, sorry, not Indian you can definitely understand, Australian accent. So these three, British, American and Australian, can give you a little hard time. So please pay attention while preparing your exam, otherwise you can get some hard time. So this time your exam will be easy but fast means it can fast, some students get some trouble with the fast. So please pay attention, you're all fast track listenings. Okay, so that is a key here in this listening part. Overall, if you talk about that level, vocabulary wise, paragraph, passage wise, it will be easy. All right, so moving to the reading part. So if we are going to talk about the reading But before that, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. And if you need the answer key of your exam, again, what you need to do, you need to give me the answers of like first 2, 3 or 5. If you remember anything, I will give you complete right answer key for that exam. Because I'm stop uploading that all the answer keys these days. I have all the answer keys, but sometimes students, paper based students and computer based students, there are multiple exams on the computer based students, they always confused, and I don't want to give you some confusion and some like pressure and stress for your exam results. So that's why I just stopped. But again, if you provide me like 2 or 3 answers, then I can provide you the full answer key. In that way, I know that which question paper you had it in your exam. Okay, that is why. All right, so moving to the reading section. But again, the request is, if you are new on this channel, if you are looking for the English free speaking buddy partners, then again, we are here to help you out with that. The only thing we needed from you, that is just subscribe this channel. All right, so now let's get started with the reading. So reading passage 1 is always true false not given, sentence completion. So in this part, in this time, you will have easy. Passage 2, list of headings. Which paragraph contains the same information or existing information or the similar information, is going to easy to moderate, because here you can get some difficulty to finding the headings. So please pay attention while you are like skimming or scamming your headings, because here you can get some difficulty, because there will be a not the repeat, but if they will talk about environment in the first line, and the second line they will start about like the effects on the daily routine or in the population or child. So in that way you can find some difficulty to what will be, because they will constantly talking about the two things together in a one passage. So kind of example, this is one of the examples. So please pay attention while preparing your reading for list of headings. So here my tip is, please practice all the Cambridge books, all the Cambridge up to current book. So which you have it, I think June book is not launched yet, but if it is, so please prepare all the Cambridge. So in that way you can help out yourself for the exam and prepare strong for yourself for the exam. Passage 3. So passage 3 is a yes no matching and summary completion again. So in this part you can have easy to moderate. So easy to moderate means you need to again pay attention, hard attention here, because you can get some difficulty, because difficulty means that you can find some hard time to finding the stuff here. So means because this part is going to be easy to moderate. So here is the main difficulty, like when you are start matching, you will be a little confused in there, because matching will be, you seems like to be the same for 1 and 2, and then another thing you will find that okay, when you feel like okay, this might be goes with this answer, but sometimes it's not with the same, it will be a little change in there. Okay, so please pay attention while preparing your passage, and also wait for my next video. That will be very close prediction of 12th March. There I will also gives you the passage idea, so which type of passage you can expect your IELTS exam. So in that way it will lot more help for you to prepare your exam before your IELTS exam, real IELTS exam. All right, so overall if we talk about, the prediction is going to be moderate, easy to moderate. So reading is going to be easy to moderate this time. All right, thank you so much. I will see you in the next time.